Do it. Sign up for welding. It's so much fun. You could go any direction from underwater welding to fabrication to basically whatever you want. You could become an inspector.
It's more than just welding. It's helping pick a career path, help you move forward with what you want to do.
The employers that are out there, they value the skills that you learn here at the Maricopa community colleges, but they also expect and really value what they call the soft skills, the work ethics that are required in order for you to not only get the job, but maintain and keep the job.
It's not just learn how to weld and that's it. It's more of a mentorship than anything. It's a lot of character building along with just being able to weld.
It's a great, great job to go for.
It shows employers that they're excited about what they're doing and that they're completers, that they'll actually finish what they started.